Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahzadi Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, DG. Today I am going to take a physics class for class 9 students. My dear students, our today's topic, Chapter 8, Mathematical Problem. Our today's lecture number 34 and SW number 30. My dear students, let's start our class. This is chapter 8 and we will solve some mathematical problem today. My dear students, at first you have to know we have discussed today for these two mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror, and at first you have to know this topic. For concave mirror, the distance of the object from the mirror u, that is u will be positive. For concave mirror, the distance of the object will be positive. Focal length f will be positive, and the radius that means r will be also positive. Okay, for concave mirror, this is for concave mirror, and for convex mirror, radius r will be negative, and v always will be positive. If the image is real, then v is positive, and if the image is virtual or unreal, the v will be negative, and v means the image, the value of image. Okay, so if the image is real, then v is positive, and the image is virtual or unreal, then v will be negative. My dear students, now start our class. Problem number 1. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 30 centimeter. The radius of the curvature of a concave mirror is 30 centimeter. Calculate the position, nature and magnification of image of an object is kept at 20 centimeter distance from the mirror. My dear students, see the question at first. Here given the distance of the object u, the distance of the object, that means u is 20 centimeter. The radius of the curvature also given is r, that means r. We indicated by radius of the curvature by r, so r is 30 centimeter. The distance of the image, what is the distance of the image? We have to find out this one. We have to find out also the nature and magnification m. Okay, so now I will show this. Now I will solve this mathematical problem. So here given u, r, and we have to find out the v and magnification m. So at first we have to write this formula. This is for concave mirror. Okay, 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. We know this formula. 1 by v equals to then 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay, just side change. So write 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. This is the formula. And 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Just side change. Okay, so my 1 by v equals to, now put the value 1 divided by f means we know f equals to r divided by 2, right? This is another formula, f equals to r divided by 2. So it will be, f means r divided by 2, so 1 by u. Okay, now 1 by v equals to 2 divided by r minus 1 by u. So now we will put this value 2 divided by, here given the r means 30. Okay, r means 30 minus 1 by u, here given is 20 centimeter. So 1 by v equals to, we will take LCM from 30 and 20, that means it will be 60. So we have to divide this 60 by 30, so it will be 2 means 4 minus 20 divided by 60, that means 3. So 1 by v equals to 1 divided by 60, so v equals to 60. My dear students, this see here v is positive, here v is positive, and v means distance of image. So v is positive, and so the image is real, and this is the nature. Okay, we have to describe the nature also. So if the v is as the v is positive, so image is real. And now we have to find out the magnification m. So magnification m equals to v divided by u. My dear students, we know this formula, m equals to L dash divided by L, or m equals to v divided by u. Okay, v means the distance of the image and u means the distance of the object. So put this value v here given 60 and u here given 20, so it will be 3. So magnification m is 3 here. Okay, so real image, answer will be real image will form at 60 centimeter distance from the mirror, and the magnification is 3. My dear students, now we will solve mathematical problem number 2. I hope all of you have understood number 1. Now 2, how much is the distance of an object at which 3 times magnified virtual image will form in a concave mirror with 15 centimeter focal length? And what is given at first? See, here given the focal length f is 15 centimeter and magnification is 3 times magnified, that means this is the magnification. So m equals to given 3. Okay, now we have to solve this one. So f equals to 15 centimeter, m equals to magnification is 3. So we know magnification m equals to v divided by u, that means v equals to 3. So v equals to 3u, and it will be minus because this is virtual image. Here given the question, this is virtual image, so that's why we have to use here minus. So v equals to minus 3u, and we have to find out the distance of the object, that means u. So my dear students, now we'll solve this problem. We know the formula is 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. So 1 by v here given minus 3u. So write minus 3u plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. F means 15. Okay, now we will take LCM, 3u and u, that means it will be 3u, and 3u divided by 3u minus 1, it will be minus 1 plus it will be 3. So 1 by 15. Now 3 minus 1, that means 2 divided by 3u equals to 1 divided by 15. So 3u equals to 30. 15 into 2 equals to 30. So u equals to 10. So the distance of the object is 10 centimeter. Okay, and I hope all of you have understood this mathematical problem. Now we will solve problem number 3. Problem number 3. The question is, the radius of a concave mirror is 40 centimeter. That means here given the r. So the radius of the concave mirror is 40 centimeter. That means here given r equals to 40 centimeter. Find the distance of an object at which 2 times magnified. That means here given magnification 2. Okay, and magnified image will form the mirror. Okay, so we have to find out the distance of the object, that means u. Okay, my dear students, write here v divided by u equals to 2. So that means m, this is m, and so it will be v equals to 2u, and here r is positive. For concave mirror we know, I have already said this, for concave mirror radius r will be positive, so r equals to 40. Okay, 40 centimeter. And now we will solve this problem. We have to find out the u. So 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f, that means 2 by r, 1 by f, and f is r by 2, so it will be 2 by r. Okay, for image, and my dear students, in this question here given the for concave mirror, and for in concave mirrors the image will be two kind, that means real image and unreal virtual image. So at first we will solve for in case of real image. For in case of real image, we will put the value 1, v means 2u, so 1 by 2u plus 1 by u. For real image it will be positive. Okay, so positive plus, it will be plus. So 2u and u, we will take LCM, 2u. 1 plus 2 equals to 2 divided by r. Now 3 divided by 2u equals to 2 divided by r. So 2 2s are 4. Here given put the value of r. R means 40. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. U equals to 3 4s are 12. So u equals to 120 divided by 4, that means 30 centimeters. So the distance of the image, for real image the distance of the object is 30 centimeter. Now we will solve for unreal image. Okay, that means virtual image. For virtual image it will be minus, the v will be minus. For virtual image v will be minus, so v equals to 2u. Okay, so I have to write minus 2u plus 1 by u equals to 2 divided by r. Now we will take LCM. 2u minus 1 plus 2 equals to 2 divided by r means 40. Okay, so 1 divided by 2 minus 1, that means 1 divided by 2 u equals to 2 divided by 40. 4u equals to 40. So u equals to 10. Okay, 10 centimeter. So my dear students, the image will be twice as large if the object is placed at 30 centimeter or 10 centimeter distance. Okay, now we will solve problem number 4. A mirror of 15 centimeter focal length creates an unreal image of twice the size of the object. Find out the distance of the object from the mirror. My dear students, here given focus, the focal length f equals to 15 centimeter. Here magnification also given 2, that means the length creates an unreal image of twice of the size of the object, that means magnification is 2. So we have to find out the distance of the object, that means u equals to what? My dear students, here see, image in a convex mirror are always small. So the mentioned mirror is convex and the focal length is positive. The image is unreal, and so the image will be beyond the mirror and the distance will be positive. So we have to write like use this formula, the 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. That means the image is unreal, that's why we have to use. So v by u equals to 2. That means v equals to 2u, but it will be minus for unreal image. Here given the unreal image, so the image is unreal, so we have to use minus. So we have to write minus 2u plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. So now 2u and u will take LCM 2u, so minus 1 plus 2 equals to 1 by f. 1 divided by 2u equals to 1 by f, and the value of f means 15. So 2u equals to 15. So u equals to 15 divided by 2, that means 7.5 centimeters. So in front of the, it will be in front of the image, the object will be 7.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. Now we will solve problem number 5. Radius of curvature of a convex mirror is 40 centimeter. Radius of the curvature of convex mirror is 40 centimeter. So for convex mirror, radius of the curvature r. So it will be minus. Okay. So r will be, for convex mirror radius is minus. Here I have already said, for convex mirror radius will be minus, so it will be minus 40 centimeter. It 2 centimeter long object, so the length of the object here given 2 centimeter. Okay, so 2 centimeter long object is placed 80 centimeter away from the mirror on its axis. Find out the position of the length of the image. Okay, position of the length of the image, that means we have to distance find out the distance of the image v equals to what. Okay, and now the mirror is convex, so the radius of the curvature is negative, so you have to use write this 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 2 divided by r. 1 by f, that means f equals to r by 2, so that's why we write 2 divided by r. And 1 by v plus 1 by u, here u given 80, u given 80 centimeter equals to 2 divided by r means minus 40. So we have to find out the value of v, so we write v equals to minus 1 divided by 20 minus, it will be minus 1 by 80. Okay, so 80 divided by 20, that means 4, minus 4, and minus 80 divided by 80 minus 1, so minus 5 divided by 80 and 1 by v. So v equals to minus 1 divided by 16. So v equals to minus 16 centimeter, and v is negative, so image is virtual. My dear students, here the v is negative, that means image is virtual or unreal, and it will be created beyond the mirror. Now we have to we know this formula, m equals to that means magnification, m equals to length of the image divided by length of the object, that means length of the image means v and length of the object means u. So it will be v means 16, so 16 divided by 18, so we have to find out the length of the image v. So we will write v equals to 16 divided by 80 into length of the object, that means 2. Okay, so it will be 2 divided by 80 means 40, and 60 divided by 40 divided by 2 by 5, so it will be 0.4 centimeter, and if we take this meter, that means 0.004 meter. Okay, if we have to divide by 100. So my dear students, now I will give you SW, and our today's SW number is 30, and your SW topic is mathematical problem. Okay, all number 1 to 5, all mathematical problem as your SW. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Practice properly at home. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.